Hi, I'm Marc Gallo from the Mind the Gap Recording School. Like you, I've always had a passion for music. Whether it's performing or recording, music has always inspired me. Working in my studio for over 30 years, I learned the skills and techniques from some of the most respected mixing engineers on how to make recordings sound professional. Now, I want to share them with you in an all-inclusive one-day seminar that will demonstrate the fundamentals in mixing music. And they will work with any digital audio workstation, from Logic Pro and Digital Performer to Pro Tools, Ableton, and even GarageBand. You'll learn how to balance your mix, how to improve clarity, how to use dynamics to give your music punch, and most importantly, how to make your music sound great. If you're like me, someone who has a deep passion for music and wants to get better every day, then come to the next all-inclusive one-day seminar at the Mind the Gap Recording School. I hope to see you here.